Tvarita's existing device protection plan. Tvarita brings to you for the first time in India a device protection for your existing handset, and we call it TED, Tvarita's existing device protection plan. TED is a perfect combination of security and service pack. TED provides accidental and liquid damage with a maintenance plan on your device breakdowns and malfunctions. Your device is protected for a period of 1 year from the date of onboarding with TED. TED is a perfect plan for phones without a protection plan beyond 6 months of its purchase date. So if you have forgotten to buy your secure pack for your device, here is your chance to have it protected. Be it phones or tablets, we cover it all in the minimal price of 2499 for Android and 6499 for iOS. We do not ask for proofs or stories. We are super swift and we do not bore you with unnecessary paperwork. Just a KYC upload and you're done. Your claim is registered. The highlight of this plan is it's a no question asked 100% settlement plan. Tvarita Care. It's a promise to protect what you love. So what are you waiting for? Protect your device now with Tvarita's TED.